The Buntline Hitch is an option as a termination knot in climbing against the carabiner. It has some nice characteristics. It cinches down nicely on the carabiner so you won't load the gate. It's nice and secure and it's nice and compact. Let's look at how to tie one. To tie this knot, we want to take our working end of our climb rope and pass it down through the carabiner, then across the standing part, and then do a crossing round turn back down towards the carabiner, and then I just want to take my working end and feed it back through this loop above this section of the rope. So that would look like this from that angle, and then you can proceed to tighten the whole thing down. And that's good to climb when it's dressed and set as is, as long as this tail is at least 3 inches. This has got quite a bit more than that. There's always the option to put a stopper knot in the end of your climb line if you want extra reassurance. To inspect the knot, if I just pull out a little bit of slack here around this noose part, the cinching noose, you will see that it forms a clove hitch around the standing part of the line. So if you've got that clove hitch, you know you've tied the knot correctly. And that is the Buntline Hitch.